My name is Ritika and I am studying in 7th standard. Welcome to the Essence of Experience Expo. My model name is Milestone. Milestone literally refers to a roadside marker that lists the distance to a particular location. The Latin word is a Via Boston, meaning of a thousand places. The Roman also adapted slow marker and mile interval to notify the passerby of distance covered or the number of miles to go to reach their destination. These markers were conveniently called a milestone. A milestone is a specific point. Yellow milestone. Yellow milestone indicates that you are on a national highway. Green milestone. Green milestone indicates that you are on a state highway. Black milestone. Black milestone indicates that you are on a district road. Orange milestone. Orange milestone indicates that you are on a rural road. The remaining kilometers and their respective rural location are engraved on a milestone. Thank you.